Good morning from Memphis. A quick space video. It's 2:30 on the morning of July 20th or late night on the 19th, but it is technically July 20th in Memphis, and I'm making another video because I can't help myself because it's so pretty out here. We've got four beautiful night sky objects starting from the east, almost directly east from my apartment complex. Zoom in with that bright streetlight there. Should be able to see Mars right in the center of the screen. That's Mars right in the center of the screen. So that actually gives a good comparison because when we're seeking to see planets around other stars, it's like a firefly near a searchlight or something similar to that. The star is so much brighter than the planet. So nevertheless, this street light is so much brighter than Mars, but we're still able to see it, just barely, and it looks like a planet would look around a distant star, just a tiny speck of light amidst the bright glare of the star. I zoom back out, and just to the upper right of Mars is, of course, the last quarter moon, and then right in the middle of the screen is Jupiter, which is always easy to see unless it's extremely close to the sun, but it's bright enough I don't have to zoom in to see it. And then to a little bit further west we have Saturn near that puff of cloud. I'm going to zoom right in, and Saturn is right in the middle of the screen. So I've talked about all of these beautiful bright solar system objects in previous videos, but it's just so cool to be able to step outside and see them all lined up. Four bright, beautiful solar system objects in the early morning sky in Memphis on July 20th, 2022. And I cannot help myself. I've just got to give a little bit of description about each object. Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun, 900 million miles from the sun, 10 times farther from the sun than we are, so it's mighty chilly out there, about minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you think it's hot here, just picture yourself out there. Jupiter, the fifth planet from the sun, 500 million miles from the sun. It's a little closer, so it's only minus 200 Fahrenheit at Jupiter. Maybe minus 210. Still, just mind-numbingly cold. Hard to imagine. But we could almost survive there. Minus 200. We could survive on some of its moons, because we can deal with minus 200. At least I think we can. In Antarctica they survive there. So first the moon, the night side of the moon gets very, very cold. I don't know the exact temperature, but it's well below zero because it's dark for 2 weeks at a time. The day side of the moon, of course, is light for 2 weeks at a time, and I think the daytime temperature there can reach roughly 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's mighty hot there until the sun sets, and then it's dark for 2 weeks, and then it drops to probably close to minus 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. I'll zoom in again. It's right between that orange street light. Yeah, I'll zoom right in, and there it is again in the center of the screen. Fourth planet out from the sun. 1/10 the mass of Earth, 141 million miles from the sun, so half again as far as Earth. Daytime temperatures can reach as high as 70 degrees Fahrenheit at the equator. But at night, it gets mighty chilly, minus 150 degrees Fahrenheit, because of the thin atmosphere. Mars's atmosphere is only 1/10, or correction, 1/100th as thick as ours. The mass is 1/10 that of the Earth. The atmosphere, 1/100th as thick, so the heat just dissipates very quickly once the sun goes down. We know how it can get cool here mighty quickly in the spring, fall, or winter when the sun goes down. And Mars's rotation period is 24 hours and 37 minutes, so it's only slightly longer than Earth's. 37 minutes extra each day. 687 Earth days to go around the sun. 2 moons in the skies of Mars. That would be kind of cool. But I'm happy with the one we've got, but I often have thought it would be cool to have more than one moon. But I'm happy with the one we've got. And the moon's going behind a cloud, and that looks really cool. I thank you for watching.